Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to subscribe to board in monday.com. First, open the board that you want to make people subscribe to and click on invite right here. Then if you want to invite to this board people from your organization, do it right here. And if you want to subscribe people outside of your organizations, do it right here. So let's say I want to subscribe people from my organization, just type their email address right here, click on them, and they will be invited to be subscribers of this board. Now if you want to add guests, click on right here and search their email addresses. So you can do it simply like this. Just type it in and press enter. Now as you can see, this address is already in use, but if it wasn't, then it would work. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.